Industrialization has contributed significantly to Ghana's economic growth by creating jobs and increasing production. However, rapid and poorly regulated industrial development has also created several social, economic, and environmental problems across the country. Some of the problems caused by industrialization in Ghana include the following. 1. Environmental pollution. Many industries discharge untreated waste into rivers and the atmosphere. For example, factories around the Odaw River in Accra release effluents that pollute water and affect nearby communities. 2. Water pollution. Industrial chemicals and heavy metals contaminate water bodies used for drinking and fishing. The pollution of the Pra and Ankobra Rivers due to mining and industrial processing has affected livelihoods and public health. 3. Air pollution. Emissions from factories and industrial boilers release harmful gases and smoke. In industrial areas such as Tema Industrial Area, residents often experience respiratory problems due to poor air quality. 4. Health problems. Exposure to industrial pollutants leads to diseases such as asthma, skin infections, and waterborne illnesses. Communities living near industrial zones in Accra and Tema report frequent health complaints. 5. Urban congestion and slums. Industrial centers attract rural migrants seeking jobs, leading to overcrowding. Areas like Ashaman near Tema have expanded rapidly, resulting in slums and pressure on housing and sanitation. 6. Loss of agricultural land. Industrial expansion takes over fertile farmland. For example, farmland around Tema and Kumasi has been converted into factories and warehouses, reducing food production. 7. Waste management problems. Industries generate large amounts of solid and hazardous waste that are poorly managed. Plastic and chemical waste from factories often end up in open dumps and drains in major cities. 8. Noise pollution. Heavy machinery and industrial operations produce excessive noise. Residents near sawmills and metal works in Kumasi frequently complain of sleep disturbance and stress. 9. Income inequality. While industrialization creates wealth, benefits are unevenly distributed. Skilled workers in urban industries earn more, while unskilled laborers and rural populations remain poor. 10. Weak enforcement of regulations. Poor monitoring and enforcement allow industries to operate without complying with environmental laws. Despite regulations, some factories continue to pollute due to inadequate oversight by authorities.